So this is coffee syrup, basically. Concentrated coffee. You got hot water in here, and you mix the two together to get your coffee. Never seen that before. We're on our way to the Palccoyo mountain. Welcome to the Mountain of Colors. You can see bits of it, hints of it. See some of it here. Up there, nice little view. Over there it looks bright red. It's kind of in the shadows right now. But we're up here with a kind of at the snow line. You can see that. Input and output. Follow the arrows. Entrada, salida. Look at these little tiny plants. Look how big they are, or how tiny they are. Whew. There we go. That's a beautiful view of that right there. We're getting a little bit higher. We're part of Mount Palccoyo.
Yeah.
We're on our way up. You can see some of it back there, and got ways to go. Taking it slow and easy because the altitude's pretty high up here.
Pretty high. I can feel it every 10 step.
Yep. Late May, we're wearing jackets.
Because it's snowing there.
Yeah.
Got snow there.
Snow up there. So, all right, break time's over. What's that called? What is that called?
This?
Yeah.
Just
People built.
high that
can build
and cold and
Okay.
wind.
Okay.
Yeah.
To protect themselves from the cold and wind. Nice. Us flatlanders aren't used to this high altitude. I forget what the altitude is here. Whew. I think it's around 13 or 14,000 feet. What? Your heart rate is 169. Whew. Yep. Stop and take a break. Look at the red colors. Beautiful. Fixing up the trail, making it nicer. So they're definitely getting ready for more tourists to come this way. Right now, it's not really much of a tourist spot. Ooh, look at that. Cute little picture with a llama over there. Look at this washout from the mountain, from the snow runoff there. Ooh. Okay, we're heading up to that place up there. They call that the Stone Forest. We're definitely up into the snow line now. Here's some good stones that they're using to pave the path with. That one definitely looks like some seafloor there. I'm guessing they got those stones locally. Showing you that these rocks were underwater at one point in time and then hardened quickly into the seabed. Look at our view. We're getting so high in altitude that not even the lichen wants to grow. Not even the lichen's just growing sporadically. See that? Ooh-wee. Can't forget my hat. You like my hat?
Let's go.
You guys gotta see this. Look at that. I ran, sprinted the last little bit. Now I'm out of breath. Look here, sweetheart. Look behind me. Look over there. All right, time to Well, we made it to Palccoyo Rainbow Mountain. Made it here. Hoo-wee. Worth it. Once we got here, having some fun, just taking pictures. Got to fly my drone. They want me to pay 50 soles for that, so I gladly shelled that out. Wasn't able to fly around Cusco at all, or Sacsayhuaman, or Machu Picchu. Look at these rocks. Something like 14,000 feet up in the Andes. Obviously a seabed right up here. Look at that. Yeah, it's built right into the sandstone right there. Built right in. Look at this view. Rainbow Mountains. This is at the Palccoyo Rainbow Mountain. Beautiful place. Now we're climbing up Palccoyo. You can see some more rainbow colors over there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Snap a couple pictures. Beautiful. Zoom back out. I just love how you can see the snow-capped mountains in the background. Gorgeous. Too bad this window's so bad. Oh boy, amazing. Gonna zoom in on that one over there. That's just so beautiful. The red is iron ore, the green is copper, paired with different colors of clay. In our little wind shelter here, red flowers, yellow flowers. Look how tiny they are. Wow. Here's a better view of these. They look like crocuses, but I have no idea what they are. Almost there. Almost to the tippy top. Palccoyo Mountain. That's the rock forest behind us. Or in front of us, I mean. Whew. Look at that. The higher you get, the better it looks. Ooh. Let's look at that. Here's the view when you get to the top. It's a view of Rainbow Mountain from the top. Stone forest on this side. Color mountains on this side. This side. Let's see what we see when we poke through or head through here. Look at that. Up. All these stones up here. Look how thin these stones are poking up. It's like layers of sandstone between layers of clay. Oof.
That's good, I think.
This is the tippy top,
Yeah.
Palccoyo.
Oh, yeah. Here's close to there.
Gotta get our pictures up here.
Okay. Picture time. Smile. Okay. Good. You like your photo? Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that view
How's the
with this lonely piece of
Yeah.
sandstone. It's not even connected, it's just sitting right there on top of that
Okay.
ledge with the mountains in the background. The Rainbow Mountains in the other background. Amazing. First, we're on top of the stone forest right now.
Yeah, look at that. We're on the top.
Had to catch my breath when we got up here to the top. Look at that. Is it worth the climb?
Rainbow Mountain.
Is it worth it?
It's worth it.
Time to go. Our time is up here. Say one last goodbye to Rainbow Mountain. Yay! All the way over here. Stone forest. All these thin slabs of looks like sandstone to me sticking out of the side of this mountain. Look at that. There's a lizard down there. See, zoom in. There it goes. Just so I can see where it's at. And he goes into his hole. So these stones on the side of the pathway here, these are the people that didn't make it to the top. These are the grave sites of the people that didn't make it to the top. Actually, just kidding. I guess I put those out as markers at nighttime. But look at that. That's the place we just came from, right up there. Look at that view. The sun's hitting it just right now. Right now the light is hitting it just right. Look at that. Beautiful. Zoom in. Get detail on those colors. There goes the clouds covering it. But when the sun's shining on it, it's beautiful colors. Just like all the mountains around it. Look at that detail. Here's the little stores they're starting to set up here for all the tourists. You can see the snow on the ground here. Here's the parking lot at the trailhead for Palccoyo Mountain. You can tell that they're building stuff. Getting ready for more and more tourists. They got some bathrooms there. One soles to go to the bathroom. And stores for Here's our lunch for today.
Mucha comida.
Mucha comida. Lots and lots of food.